Changing the cut score, the state decided to change the cut score to try to bring the actual MEAP test that we give kids more in line with what the national tests we're seeing our kids actually knew in our core areas. So in essence, the test, the MEAP, the way the cut scores were set up on the MEAP before made our kids look artificially slightly better than they were. So the scores, obviously when they changed the cut scores, it's like sliding the test scale a little bit more to get some of the grades lower. They didn't do that to get the grades lower to make the kids score any worse, but it kind of brought us in line with what the reality was. So we were planning for that. We knew about that. We still know that we have a lot of work to do, and now we're comparing apples to apples, and we know it'll take us a couple of years, but we're probably going to have to climb back up to the place we were. But we kind of know that that's going to happen. How's it going to affect the students? The students are probably not going to be affected directly, but they are going to see a lot more focus on in their classrooms over the next 2 to 3 years on what the particular parts of the curriculum are the teachers are trying to teach. So, and that's our goal, is that kids should know exactly what teachers expect them to learn, and that's on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a term basis. And then when students know what they're expected to learn, research tells us they have a lot better chance of doing that. So kids shouldn't notice anything in a bad way. School shouldn't get harder. Hopefully it's more focused, and for a lot of kids that helps them do better in school, because if a kid knows what is expected of them, they do better. If kids halfway through the hour, so I'm really not sure what we're doing today, that's probably not a good thing. So that'll help.